morning, children. Namaste. Hope you all are enjoying your vacation. In this video, we are going to learn the phonic sounds. Phonic sounds of letter E and F. So let's start. This is capital E and this is small e. In phonic sounds, we pronounce E as in egg. How we pronounce? Egg. Egg. Elephant. Elbow. Come, let's sing a phonic rhymes with me. Egg, egg, eggs in the pan. Egg, egg, eggs in the pan. Egg, egg, eggs in the pan. Crack the egg like this. Egg, egg, eggs in the pan. Egg, egg, eggs in the pan. Egg, egg, eggs in the pan. Crack the egg like this. Now we are going to learn the phonic sounds of letter F. Capital F, small f. In phonic sounds, we pronounce F as in f. How we pronounce? F. Fish. Fan. Flower. Come, let's sing a phonic rhyme with me. Fish in the pound. Fish in the pound. Fish in the pound. Swim around the pound. Fish in the pound. Fish in the pound. Fish in the pound. Swim around the pound. So children, what we have learned today? We have learned phonic sounds and phonic rhymes of letter E and F. So you also have to learn the phonic rhymes and phonic sounds of letter E and F. Bye bye.